Stop struggling with money. It's time to take control of your financial future and stop living in constant worry. How to budget like a pro. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With the right tools and mindset, you can master it. Are you struggling to manage your money? Do you find yourself constantly confused by your bills and bank statements? Do you feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck with no end in sight? Don't worry, I've been there. It's a common problem, but it doesn't have to be your reality. In this video, I'll show you how to budget like a pro and finally get a grip on your finances step by step in just a few minutes. We'll cover everything from tracking your expenses to setting realistic financial goals. Budgeting is the key to achieving your financial goals, whether it's buying your dream house, traveling the world, or just feeling financially secure. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing exactly where your money is going. It's about taking control of your money so you can make it work for you instead of the other way around. When you budget effectively, you can prioritize your spending and save for the things that truly matter to you. And trust me, once you start budgeting, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. The sense of accomplishment and relief you'll feel is priceless. Let's get started on this journey to financial freedom together. Track it like a boss. Income and expenses. Understanding your income and expenses is the cornerstone of financial health. It's not just about knowing how much you make and spend, but about gaining insights into your financial habits. The first step to mastering your money is knowing where it's going. This means taking a detailed look at your financial statements and bank accounts regularly. That means tracking every dollar you earn and spend. Whether it's a small purchase or a significant expense, every transaction counts. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. With the right tools and mindset, you can make this process straightforward and even enjoyable. You can keep it simple with a pen and paper, jotting down your daily expenses and income as they come, or if you prefer a more detailed approach, create a comprehensive spreadsheet in Excel. This allows you to categorize your expenses and visualize your spending patterns. Alternatively, use budgeting apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Mint. These apps can sync with your bank accounts and provide real-time updates on your financial status. I personally love spreadsheets because they give me complete control over my data and allow for customization. But find what works best for you. Whether it's an app, a spreadsheet, or a notebook, the key is consistency. The important thing is to be consistent. Note down your salary, side hustle income, everything. Then, track every expense, no matter how small. From your rent or mortgage to your daily coffee, every expense should be accounted for. This helps you understand your spending habits better. This might seem tedious at first, but it's a crucial step in taking control of your finances. Trust me, seeing where your money actually goes is eye-opening. It can reveal patterns and areas where you can cut back or adjust. This insight is crucial for building a solid budget. With a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can make informed decisions and set realistic financial goals. Needs versus wants. Categorize your spending. Now that you're tracking your cash flow, let's categorize your spending. This is where you separate the essentials from the nice-to-haves. We'll use the popular 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. This means allocating 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Needs are non-negotiable, like rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. Wants are things that improve your quality of life but aren't essential, like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Savings include your emergency fund, investments, and retirement contributions. Debt repayment covers any loans or credit card balances. Chapter 3. A budget without goals is like a ship without a destination. It's just drifting. Without a clear path, you might find yourself lost in the vast ocean of financial decisions, unsure of where to go or what to prioritize. Setting clear financial goals gives you direction and motivation to stick to your budget. It acts as a roadmap, guiding you through the complexities of managing your finances and helping you stay on track. Think about what you want to achieve with your money. Whether it's a big purchase or financial freedom, having a vision is crucial. Do you want to buy a house? Pay off student loans? Retire early? These are significant milestones that require careful planning and saving. Break down your goals into short-term, within a year, and long-term, several years. This makes them more manageable and less overwhelming. For example, a short-term goal could be saving $5,000 for an emergency fund in 12 months. This provides a safety net for unexpected expenses. Write down your goals and how much you need to save each month to achieve them. This step is essential as it transforms abstract ideas into concrete plans. This will make your goals feel more tangible and keep you focused. Seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating and will encourage you to continue working towards your financial dreams. Chapter 4. Now comes the fun part. Building your budget. Using a budgeting template, spreadsheet, or app, allocate your income to different spending categories based on your tracking and the 50/30/20 rule, or a similar framework. Be realistic about your spending habits. If you know you tend to overspend on eating out, allocate a bit more to that category, but cut back somewhere else. Remember, flexibility is key. Life happens, and unexpected expenses pop up. Build some wiggle room into your budget to accommodate these surprises without derailing your progress. Chapter 5. Congratulations, you've created a budget, but it's not a set it and forget it kind of thing. Review your budget weekly or monthly to see how you're tracking against your goals. Analyze your spending habits. Are you consistently overspending in certain areas? Can you cut back somewhere to boost your savings rate? Adjust your budget as needed. As your income increases or your goals evolve, your budget should too. Remember, this is about taking control of your finances, making your money work for you. And there you have it, the steps to budgeting like a pro. Remember, it all starts with tracking your income and expenses, then categorizing your spending and setting financial goals. Use this information to create a realistic budget and review it regularly to make adjustments as needed. It might seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, the effort is so worth it. Budgeting gives you financial freedom, peace of mind, and the power to achieve your dreams. You got this. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out my next video on common money mistakes to avoid. See you there.